Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video on a system that I've been using that can help people to earn $150 per day and growing. What I'm going to do, of course, is show you proof of payment. For those that don't know, my name is Amanda. I'm a single mom of two. I started to look into online marketing and learning how to earn online back in 2015. And for the first year, I didn't do well at all. I really didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what programs to trust. I got involved in a lot of scams, programs that just didn't pay. And as of today, I'm able to consistently earn money online by utilizing a system that is just fantastic. For those that don't know, when you're online and you're trying to generate income on a consistent basis, you have to have traffic. Traffic is important. You have to have a great program that pays out consistently so that it almost is like going to a job. You know, you go to a job and you work and you get paid. You want to have that same effect as, you know, working from home, but you don't want to have to be stuck to a desk or stuck to a cash register for 8 hours, okay? And that's the great thing of working from home, is being able to create your own hours, create your own space, you know, to do the things that you love to do, and then minimize the amount of time it takes to earn, but be able to earn even more money by utilizing some really easy, simple steps, okay? So what I realized is that I was failing online so much because I didn't have the right program, and then I didn't have the right mentor, the program to show me exactly how to utilize, because that's the thing. Once you get into a program, you need to know how to utilize the program too. The system that you have, you need to know how to utilize the system. And then when you're showing it to other people, they need to be able to duplicate what it is that you're doing. If they cannot duplicate the system that you're using, they're going to drop out. They're not going to stay around long. And this program, you don't have to do YouTube videos. Like, I do YouTube videos to show people what it is that I do. It's a way for me to promote, but it's not necessary to earn, okay? People think, oh, well, I don't know how to do videos. If you are able to just run traffic is the main source of your business in order to leverage your opportunity to earn more money online, okay? So, you know, I haven't been online for like the last week. I mean, as far as videos, because I've been spending time with family. You know, Christmas came. It's now New Year's. Today is December 31st. It's New Year's Eve. And this is a time when people spend time with their family. And I've just been really dedicating the last couple of weeks to spending time with family and enjoying the moment. Okay. But I am back, and I just wanted to bring you guys this video. So just going here, I'm going to just go into my results, my proof. For those that don't know Priceless Possibilities, this is a part of the Power Lead system. Some may have heard of it, some may have never heard of it, but it's a great system. If you had it before, you didn't do well, sign up again and start over, because I'm telling you, we now have the Done For You funnel, step-by-step training on how to set it up. If you don't want to set it up, you could pay $50 and have the entire funnel set up for you, okay? And I'm just going to go over I have not ran any traffic for, I want to say, about 2 weeks. No traffic, just people pretty much, you know, finding me maybe on YouTube or, and as you can see, I'm going to show you on Facebook, they may have found me, my information. But if you look here, when you run traffic, this is the numbers that come in. So, for example, December 22nd, I had 76 opt-ins, which means 76 people took a look at my opportunity. And what I love about this is the more people that look at your opportunity, the more that money you make. And that's why I feel that to make $150 per day, or even every other day, is not hard to do when first starting out utilizing the system. As long as you're positioning yourself at least at the diamond level, which is a one-time $147 payment, or the platinum level, which is a one-time $497 payment, it's going to allow you to make these commissions over and over and over again and build this up to as big as you want it, okay? So I had 2 $6 lead lightning commissions come in on the 27th. For those that don't know, the lead lightning is the lowest level. I really do not promote this because you're not going to leave your job making $6, each time someone signs up with you, but they do add up. And sometimes people come in at the $6 level because they just want to, they're not really serious about changing their life. They're just testing the waters. I'm not the type of person to test waters. If I'm going to do something and I really want to make a change as far as my income and producing money for my family, I'm going to go all in. So I am all in. I'm at the highest level, which is the platinum level. I'm able to get unlimited $400, $100, and $20 commissions. Okay. So here I have 2 people that came in at the lead lightning. That's a $6 commission. I had 10 opt-ins on the 27th. On the 22nd, right before Christmas, I ran a little bit of traffic. I had 76 opt-ins. I had 1 gold member that came in on the 23rd, which was the next day. And then I had another 3 opt-ins, and then I had another gold member come in on the 26th. These are $20 residual commissions. On the 26th, I had a diamond member that came in right here. That's a $100 commission. And then as you can see, I had a little bit of opt-ins, 10 people that opt into my capture page. I had 2 $6 lead lightning commissions that came in, another lead. And then on the 29th, I had 3 gold members. So that's $60 on the 29th. A fast start bonus. For those that don't know, that's when someone comes in at the highest level. That's a $400 commission. So right on the 29th alone, I made up for the days where I didn't do so well, because I had someone come in and pay $400 to get in on the 29th, okay? And this is where the leverage comes in at, and where you can start making the $150 per day plus as you slam traffic to your link. And when you want more information about slamming traffic, all of this is in our Facebook group. If you go to Freedom Takers, just ask to be added to Freedom Takers. I'll add you to the group where you can get more information about exactly what it is that we do, okay? Then on the 29th, I had a diamond member. That's a $100 commission. I had 10 opt-ins. This is free traffic, guys. And this is not paid traffic, just free information that's going out to people. I had another $6 lead lightning that came in on the 30th. Okay. Then I had 6 opt-ins here on as of today. And then I had another $400 commission that came in today. So even though I'm not running traffic, I don't have a lot of traffic that went out over the last couple of weeks. I'm still building momentum just using free traffic and people that are viewing my information, whether it's through Facebook or it could be traffic that I've previously purchased that people are just now deciding to make the decision to come into the Power Lead system. I'm going to show one more thing before I go. Here is my Power Lead system back office, and I just want to show the commissions that I earned. Just this past week, I was paid out for December 10th through the 16th. This last week that just passed. I was paid out $1,762.50 from the Power Lead system. That's pretty amazing. So I almost made $2,000 in a week utilizing this system and just having people come through my funnel, people that I don't even know, I never even met. They just seen what they liked. I sent them an email and they were glad to take a look at the opportunity. Now, the week before that, guys, I made $1,320 from December 3rd to December 9th. $1,320. So as you can see, it's pretty consistent, the amount of money that's coming in. The week before that, I made a total of $920. So as we go backwards, we see that the numbers are smaller, but as we go forward, the numbers are greater. So, and guys, the thing about this that's cool is because this is happening around the holiday season, which is not a time when a lot of people spend money, because they've spent money on Christmas and New Year's and Thanksgiving. So if you're able to earn these commissions during the holiday season, just imagine what it's going to be like when the holiday season is over. It's just going to go ballistic. And, I'm going to be slamming traffic, and I'm going to be teaching people starting January 8th, those that upgrade to the platinum level on my team will have a 2-week training that will be recorded on how to get consistent signups and platinum commissions by coming in at the highest level. And this is going to be a blueprint of exactly what to do on a regular basis, working just 45 minutes to an hour per day, or every other day, in generating these type of results. So if you want more information, just take a look at my the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. If you want more information about the Freedom Takers group, just ask to get you know, the invitation is there. You just need to be added to the group. And I'm looking forward to help as many families as possible to have financial freedom this year. If you follow what it is that I'm telling you to do, you can have these same results, and you can even go beyond this. You know, it's just an amazing system, and I'm looking to help others. So thanks so much for viewing the video. The link is in the description below. Happy New Year's to everyone that's out there, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.